Hey guys, welcome back to Keisha's Kitchen. Today, we're baking something sweet and absolutely irresistible, my light and fluffy orange cake. If you love the bright, zesty flavor of fresh oranges, this cake is about to become your new favorite. Whether you make it in the oven or the air fryer, it's easy to whip up and perfect for any occasion. So grab your ingredients and let's get baking.